All right, Braun, it is Monday, April 8th, 2019, here at Lone Star Bucket Trucks. Gonna start up this 05 for you and let you listen to it run. Cap off so you can see that there's no blow by. This other side here and let you listen to it. All right, look over the video and let me know if you have any questions. This little fender's rattling here a little bit. That's probably making a little bit of noise, but the motor sounds perfect. Very smooth, quiet. Like I said, no blow by. And cold start is very smooth and quiet. So give us a call. Let us know if you have any questions. You can reach me at 972-765-7819. Thanks.